Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Poppy G Funk, and today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Google Pixel 5, as you can see right there in front of you guys. So if you guys are ready for this video, make sure to smack the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get this going. So here we do have the Google Pixel 5 5G in a color sorta sage. There you go. So I'm telling you guys right now, the color looks beautiful. The packaging, just like the 4A. I actually have the 4A still, which I will be comparing the Google Pixel 4A to the Google Pixel 5 and let you guys know which one I like the most and if it's actually worth the extra $300 to $400 to actually upgrade to the Pixel 5. So stay tuned for that video coming soon. So on the side of the box, of course, it does say 5G. And then on the back, Team Pixel, and of course Google. Just super easy to actually unbox your new Team Pixel phone, which is cool. So here we go. And then all you have to do is just lift the box and voila, there you go. Oh my god, look at that phone. Ooh. And bam, here we do have the Google Pixel 5. So of course you do have your back camera. You also have your fingerprint scanner still on the back. You got the G for Google. That texture on the phone is just amazing. Look at that color. Ooh, really close up. You can definitely feel that texture on the phone. It kind of has like this nice grippy finish, I guess you can say in a way. Super nice. So it kind of looks like there's pixels all over the phone pretty much on the back, which is super cool. Look at that. That looks pretty awesome right there. Now the next thing inside the box is gonna be your user guide for the new Google Pixel 5. So as soon as you open this, of course, some fingertips, basically how to set up your new Pixel, things like that, all the ports, awesome. Then we also have your warranty information and also your SIM card key as well, which is cool and actually shows you how to actually install your new SIM card onto the phone. And the last things inside the box is of course your accessories. So you do get a wall adapter, a quick switch adapter, and the last thing inside the box is your USB Type-C charging cable. And back to the phone. So this bad boy right here does have a 6-inch display. Oh my god, look at that. This is the best part of unboxing a smartphone. Ooh, that is awesome right there. So this one right here does have a 6-inch full HD with OLED display on it. It's super cool. I cannot wait to actually watch some videos, watch some movies, things like that. So in the front, of course, you do have your front facing camera, which is right there. On the back, you do have your back camera. You also have your fingerprint scanner, which I absolutely love. So if you're familiar with the 4A or the other Google Pixel phones, they still have the fingerprint scanner on the back, which I absolutely love. Over here on the side, of course, you do have your power button, which is like a different color. It's more like a glossy finish, which me personally, I like that. I like that Google Pixel, actually their power button is different from any other button, so I absolutely love that. So you do have your power button on top, like I stated, your volume up and volume down on the side, which is like a matte finish. So the only thing glossy is the power button. Now looking more to the bottom, of course, you do have your speakers and also your charging port. There you go. And then over here on the side, we do have your SIM card key at the bottom. And it looks like that's about it. So overall, the phone itself looks amazing. It doesn't weigh a lot. Oh my god, this has to be probably one of the lightest phones I ever held in my hands. Wow. It's super light. All right, so the phone is set up and ready to go. And so far, I'm loving the resolution. This thing looks really good. So stay tuned for more videos coming soon on the new Google Pixel 5. Look at that screen. Oh my god, the resolution looks beautiful. So hopefully you guys enjoy this quick unboxing for you guys on the brand new Google Pixel 5 5G. Like I said, this phone is simply awesome so far. I absolutely love it. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon on this phone, some comparisons, some gaming videos coming soon as well. And if you guys want to see any other videos, let me know in the comment section down below. And once again, I want to thank Google for sending this out for review. Stay tuned because I'm also going to be doing a video on the case that they actually sent me, which looks awesome. So stay tuned for that video coming soon. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.